Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mandu from Kipo and the edge of the Wonderbeasts. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his ear with a triangular shape at that corner. And from the right corner, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, turn it sideways to the left and turn it back upwards. From the lower point on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards to the left. On the right side of the ear, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards. On the left side of the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of his head, semicircle turn downwards with a diagonal curved line. Flare it slightly out at this middle point and semicircle turn inwards right there. Now for his left ear, I'm gonna take this upper point on the left and draw a diagonal line upwards, diagonal turn downwards to the left and turn it downwards. Sharp turn back up diagonally to the upper point right there, and below that on the right another line downwards at that corner and another one in the middle point right there. In the middle of the ear, I'm gonna draw his upper eye with a line across and a semicircle line below that from the ending point at the side to the other ending point at the inner corner. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw in the middle point another semicircle line right there. Fill that in with black color. Above that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that, and I'm gonna copy the whole eye shape on the right side right here. Now below that, on the left corner, I'm gonna draw his nose with a curved line across, semicircle turn downwards diagonally, turn it sideways to the left and turn it back upwards at the outer corner right there, semicircle turn back to the right at the upper corner. Inside of the nose, I'm gonna draw two rectangular shape and fill that in with black color. Above the nose, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line in the middle point, and for the eye on the left side of that, a circular line right there. And inside of that, on the right corner, I'm gonna draw another circular shape, and inside of that circle, a smaller circular shape on the top point right here, and fill the lower half of that circle with black color. Copy that same shape of the eye on the right side here as well. Below the nose on the left corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line right there and another one below that at that corner. From the line below his face, I'm gonna extend that curved line to the right and downwards to his legs, a line downwards for his legs right there, slightly to the front, sharp turn upwards diagonally and turn it back downwards diagonally, turn it back upwards with a diagonal line. Slightly above the tip of the foot, I'm gonna draw across a line. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the legs on the left side right here. Continue the line of his body to the back with a curved line. Copy the same shape of the foot diagonally to the back. Extend the line of his body at the back of that foot on the right and another foot at that corner. Above that foot, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line upwards, all the way up. Semicircle turn at the top pointer there to the left and turn it diagonally downwards. Curved line across on the left side of that, all the way to the back of his head. In the middle point below his body, I'm gonna draw his foot in the middle point right here, and another one at the back here with a diagonal line and a line across at the lower point. Now for his tail, I'm going to draw from the back a diagonal curved line up, curl it down on the left side and outwards, and on the right side of that ending point, a curved line downwards. On the right side of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line sideways to the right, sharp turn back inwards at the lower point. At the side of his cheek, I'm going to draw a curved line at that corner and some strands of hair on his back right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.